guys, what's up? This is Greg from Pandaily. Welcome back to another one of our smartphone reviews. And today we've got here the OPPO Find X2 Pro. Alright, so Find X Pro is OPPO's latest product in their Find X series. It's a new 5G smartphone with one of the best screens in the industry. So you might remember the OPPO Find X, the first phone of the series. It made a pretty big splash with the design, with the full screen, rounded corners, glass back, that pop-up thingy on the top that was not just the camera but the whole top that popped up. Well, the new phone doesn't really have all that. It doesn't have a glass back, it doesn't have the pop-up camera. Instead, as you can see, mine is the orange one. It comes with a leather back. And as far as I know, it also comes in black, and the black one has a ceramic back. There's a rose golden lining surrounding the phone and a metal logo that comes in the same color in the left right corner. Overall, the phone looks pretty extra. There's a lot to say about the specs of this phone, but in a nutshell, it comes with a 120Hz 10-bit AMOLED display, super fast charging, an ultra vision camera system, and the most advanced Snapdragon 865 chipset. The Find X2 Pro weighs around 200 grams and it has a punch hole camera in the left right corner right here, which is pretty similar to the one that the Xiaomi Mi 10 has. The screen is curved on both sides and it seems like the brightness of the margins decreases slightly when you look at it from the front. It supports 2K resolution, and as we mentioned before, it also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. So you heard it right, it comes with both a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Well, obviously it does have automatic switching, so in case you're playing a game that doesn't support such a high refresh rate, it will probably automatically switch to something like 60Hz. Another fun feature of the Find X2 Pro is that you can actually customize the icon style on your home screen. The default icons are pretty regular, pretty similar to the ones that you would have on an average Samsung. But on this phone, you can choose several different graphics and then set the icon size and proportion. The OPPO Find X2 Pro is equipped with the so-called Ultra Vision camera system supporting all-pixel omnidirectional PDAF with a 12-bit image capture capability. There's a total of 3 cameras on the back, as you can tell. The top camera is a periscope telephoto length. Its physical focal length is 5 times of that of the main camera zoom. Okay, so that's it for today's review. For those of you who want to see a deeper dive, we will probably do another video in the future, but let us know what you think. Is this a buy or no buy? Comment down below, let us know what you think, and I'll see you next time.